Okay. So, first thing, I got a common denominator, so we can combine, okay? One expression. Nothing wrong with keeping a good habit of putting those terms in parentheses. Nothing wrong with that, okay? And so up at the top, you're going to have a distributing of positive 1 and negative 1, so you're going to get 2r squared minus 4r. With r squared minus 12r plus 20. What do you notice about both the numerator and the denominator? They'll both be quadratics, right? What's missing in the top? The third term. So we're missing the c. And so with that, yeah, I could make that plus 0 and do all that stuff. But isn't this even number of terms?
Yeah, you can group it.
I can group it, and when we group it, what do we do?
2r.
We factor out a 2r. So we factor GCF. So this is going to become 2r on top with
r minus 2. R minus
on top, right? Do y'all agree? All right, good. So we have the top factored. What about the bottom?
Yeah.
It's quadratic, right? Since it's quadratic, what's the power of a? What's the value of a? 1. Okay, so equals 1. Is 1 greater than, less than, or equal to 1? So therefore, we can dive right in to the question of what
multiplies to give each one.
multiplies to give me 20.
Give me -20.
What do we got? Negative 10 and 2. Negative 2. Okay. Plug it back into the original. R squared
Minus 10.
There we go. There's my group. What's the common denominator in the first one? Right? Next one? Negative 2. So what are my factors?
R minus 2, R minus 10.
Thank you for the r minus 2, right? So I'm going to take this, plug it back into my original, and I'm going to have r minus 2, r minus 10. All right, so we'll talk about our canceling. Tell me verbally what you know now about the canceling and what's left.
It's a whole.
It's going to be a whole at positive 2. I don't know the y yet. You could graph it and see the y if you wanted to. There'll be a hole there. What about at the r minus 10?
That's an isotope.
It's going to be an asymptote. At where? Positive 10. Okay? What kind of asymptote? Good. Vertical.
How do we know if it's
Because this right here deals with the denominator, and it's what value am I inputting that's going to be a problem, and input is the x. And the x equals line's a vertical one.